Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might need to transfer your XRP from Binance to Robinhood. It's a straightforward process, but with new regulations and updated interfaces, I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, Robinhood offers easy staking and trading options, while Binance is great for buying, so moving assets between them can optimize your portfolio. First things first, ensure you have verified accounts on both platforms. In 2025, enhanced security measures like biometric logins are common, so enable those for extra protection. Start by logging into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section and select XRP from your asset list. This is where you'll see your balance. Double-check it before proceeding. Next, click on the Withdraw button for XRP. You'll need to enter your Robinhood wallet address. Pro tip: in 2025, make sure it's the correct network, like the XRP ledger, to avoid any transaction failures. Enter the amount you want to send, and don't forget to review the fees. Blockchain updates have made them lower, but they still add up. Before confirming, verify all details, including the recipient address, to prevent costly mistakes. Hit confirm and enter your two-factor authentication code. Once submitted, the transaction will process quickly, usually within a few minutes, thanks to improved network speeds. Now, switch to your Robinhood app or website. Go to your portfolio and refresh to see your XRP balance update. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a bit more time or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like XRP Scan. And there you have it. Your XRP is now on Robinhood, ready for whatever you have planned. Remember, always stay vigilant with crypto. Double-check everything to avoid scams. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.